Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Guidance Pro. Today I am going to discuss about CEC group in intermediate and its higher studies and career options available. After 10th, students can choose any of the intermediate courses based on their interest. I have already done videos on BPC and MPC, please check, provided links in the description box. CEC group mainly consists of civics, economics and commerce as the main subjects. Most of the people believe that the chances are less with compared to other branches such as MPC, BPC and etc. But CEC group has better opportunities than other groups. But the thing is, to grab the good job opportunity, only 12th class is not enough. You should have complete minimum graduation. Some of the graduation courses after CEC are BCom. BCom specializations include BCom General, BCom Computers, BCom Honor, BCom Finance and Accounting or Banking, Export, Import, Marketing, etc. The duration of this course is 3 years and higher study options like MCom, MBA, CA, etc. Job opportunities include accounting jobs, marketing jobs, and clerical jobs in banking and insurance industries. Next, Bachelor of Business Administration, that is BBA. BBA is one of the most popular bachelor degree program after class 12. The BBA course is the gateway to numerous job opportunities. The duration of this course is 3 years and the eligibility criteria is 12th standard with any stream. And the job opportunities after completing this course include Finance Manager, Business Administration Research, Human Resource Manager, Research and Development Manager, Business Consultant, Information Systems Manager, and Marketing Manager. There are various BBA specializations one can choose from such as Human Resource Management, Finance, Sales and Marketing, and Information Technology. Next, BBM, Bachelor of Business Management. The duration of this course is 3 years and the eligibility criteria is 12th standard with any stream. The BBM curriculum includes the study of the theoretical and practical aspects of business through courses like Finance Principles and Introduction to Business. Admission is eligible candidates needs to pass a common entrance test conducted by respective college or institutes. The job opportunities after completing BBM include Business Development Manager, Relationship Manager, Business Analyst, Delivery Manager, Business Operations Manager, Associate Manager, Financial Analyst, Human Resource Manager, Marketing Executive, Executive Manager, Operations or Marketing Manager. Next, Bachelor of Arts, that is BA. BA is an extremely popular undergraduate course that students pursue right after their class 12th. Eligibility criteria for this course is 12th standard with any stream. And the specializations include philosophy, literature, anthropology, psychology, theology, journalism, French, Sanskrit, etc. and many more. Job opportunity areas after this course include advertising, law, public planning, graphics and printing industry, journalism are highly career oriented. Next comes BCA, Bachelors of Computer Applications. BCA is considered to be a specialized course usually pursued by students who want to become an expert in different aspects of computer applications and make a successful career in the IT industry. The duration of this course is 3 years and the job opportunities include system engineer, programmer in various software development firms, web developer and software developer. Other than graduation courses, there are some diploma courses that can be pursued after CEC intermediate like Digital Marketing. The duration of this course is 3 months and the eligibility criteria is 12th standard qualified with any stream. Next, Diploma in Financial Accounting. The duration of this course is 1 year and the eligibility criteria is 12th with commerce groups. Next, Diploma in Hotel Management. The duration of this course is 1 year and the eligibility criteria is 12th with any stream. This field has a great scope to make your career. You can easily get a job in the hospitality sector. Next, Diploma in Computer Application. The diplomats of computer application can create and develop computer and database apps. They can also update the applications after the launch of the application. The duration of this course is 1 year and the eligibility criteria is 12th with any stream. Next, Diploma in Retail Management. It is a new and unique sector with a promising career. The duration of the course is 1 year and the eligibility criteria is 12th standard with Commerce Group. This field has surety about the increase in career options and hike. One can even pursue professional courses after completing CEC in intermediate, like CA. CA or ICWAI is one of the backbones of the financial regulatory system of the country. CA is responsible for handling accounts and finance related matters, deal with money management, prepare, analyze and audit accounts along with providing financial advice. The duration of this course is 4 years. It has 3 stages: foundation, intermediate and final. To clear each one of them, a student has to take the following exams: CA Foundation course, CA Intermediate course and final examination. Coming to eligibility, students who have passed their 10+2 can enroll for this. Registrations for CA Foundation course are open all year round. The exam is conducted twice a year in May and November. Next professional course is Company Secretary, that is CS. CS is one of the principal posts in a company. A certified company secretary is hired to handle the legal aspects of a firm. A CS is responsible for complete company's tax returns, keep records, advise board of directors and ensure that the company complies with legal regulations. The duration of this course is 3 years and is conducted by the ICSE, Institute of Company Secretaries of India. It includes 3 stages: Foundation Program, Executive Program and Professional Program. Next professional course is Cost and Management Accountant or CMA. CMA is responsible for the allocation, management and regulation of funds in a business. The duration of this course is 2.5 years and the eligibility criteria is 12th class with any stream. And it includes 3 stages like foundation, executive and final. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.